lockdown has made me realize that really taking care of your skin with things that are readily available in your house, and in fact it can make you use things which otherwise might have wasted. For example, I actually made this under myself. I eat an orange, very healthy thing to do. Fried the peel, ground it to make this very nice smelling, and I put it in a airtight jar and put it in the fridge. Then I took masoor dal, steamed it, washed it, then dried it completely, and then powdered it. Then I decided to try something that everybody has been talking a lot about in this lockdown, which is rice water. Apparently very good for skin and hair. I haven't tried it on my hair yet. The skin does feel a lot when you use rice water. When the rice water is blended, remove the excess, just put it in the fridge. And then it's flat with sweet sort of things. And also add some just if you want to use it as a pack and not just as a stick, don't take